Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of UIFlow tutorial. What we're going to do in this video is to program a remote control demo using remote block. The remote block is featured with network function based on MQTT protocol. You can control your M5 remotely on a web page just by scanning the QR code generated by your program. Open up UIFlow in the middle and bottom. Here is all of the functional blocks related to remote. If you want to know the functional details, you can find M5Go menu in setting. In this video, we just demonstrate how to stack them up and achieve the goals of remote function. Dragging the first block, put it underneath setup. This block is used for generating QR code, and then we can drag in the second block to assign a switch button on the web page to control the M5 device. For example, we can use this switch button on the web page to control the RGB bar on the M5, which is stacked by the M5Go base. Before activate this block, we need to do some settings. Click here and create variable X. In switch off state is 0. Switch on state is 1. Inside this block, we put an if-else statement. When X equals 1, turn on the LED bar. Set the color to be white. When X is not 1, turn off the LED bar. Other than the switch, what else can we put on the web page? Let's do a slider bar. Hit the setting up here and add in a variable X. The range of this variable is from 0 to 100. We can have it change the brightness. Here we can change the name of the slider bar. What if we want to obtain the sensor data from M5? You can add this label functional block. Top right, we can change the name. The triangle to the left could choose which item you want to put. We have temperature, humidity, and barometric pressure. Here we put the value of the temperature. Underneath the M5 diagram, we add an ENV unit. Click setting here, add a variable and pass the temperature data to this variable. And return to the web page so that we can get the temperature at a remote terminal device. At last, we can manipulate some displays on the M5 screen. Add a loop and two labels. The first one will display the current temperature. The second label will display a string to describe temperature conditions on human feelings. If it's over 27 centigrade, which is around 80 degrees, it will display too hot. If the current temperature is under 15 centigrade, it will display too cold. In between, comfortable. Delay for 1 second to get the temperature every 1 second. Hit run. There are two ways to get the web page address. On right side, the QR code, you can copy the address from here and use your phone to scan the QR code.